We're here today to show you how to use G.O.T's shrink tracking program called Track It. I'm Jan and this is Veronica, and we're going to show you just how easy this program is to use. Let's go. So let's head to the back room where we'll find a shelving unit that holds all of the product that can't be sold. Some of this will be returned to our DSD vendors, but the rest of it needs to be scanned into the system so we can identify what we've lost. Let's learn how to use the scanner to track all of that information. So from the main menu, choose Track It, and again, you'll enter your 3 user initials. From here, you're going to choose the reason. The only ones we'll use will be shrink, store use, maybe the reclaim system, depending on how your store is set up with G.O.T, markdowns, store transfers, and insurance claims. As we go through this, we'll learn about each of these. The first one we'll try is the shrink program, and that's going to identify product that won't be able to be used and must be thrown out. So press shrink, and here you've got 5 reasons for why you might have to throw something out. Damage is pretty obvious. It's damaged too badly to sell. Markdown labels will be used to scan and throw away anything that was previously marked down with a G.O.T markdown label but didn't sell at the markdown price. Out of date is again product that can't be sold because it's too far out of date. And spoilage would indicate that the product is no longer able to be sold due to its poor condition. Theft would be known theft. If you find a package and the product is gone but you have the package, there's a good chance that product went home in somebody's pocket or purse. So for this first scan, Veronica will choose the out of date option, and there she's got 4 choices of how to enter it. These 4 choices will show up every time you're scanning everything for shrink. The first item is scan units, and that will be used for anything that has a UPC. The second item is scan weight, and that will be used for anything with a scale label that might come out of bakery, produce, deli, or the meat department. The third item is for entering weight, where you'll actually enter the PLU of an item and enter the number of units you have, whether that PLU is by units or by pounds. And the fourth item of enter price is currently not activated in our system, so you will not use that choice. So for our first item here, we'll scan units and scan by UPC. And next you just scan the UPC of an item that's being thrown away. So in this case, we happen to have 2 of the exact same item, so Veronica will just enter 2 and press the save button. Now we're going to press the new button because we want to change reason or scan type. And this time we've got some product that's damaged. So Veronica will press damage. And this time we're going to scan units again. So she'll grab those products. If you just have one of an item, you'll scan it, and then you don't have to press any buttons. Just scan the next item. So Veronica will grab the next item and scan it, and she's got a few more items that do need to be scanned out as damaged. She can't send them back to the vendor for reclaim. So here we go. She's just scanning away. When she's done, she'll hit the save button to indicate she's done scanning. And then after she hits the save button, she's going to have an opportunity to do new again. She's going to choose out of date and scan the weight because she has a package of meat that's out of date. She'll scan the scale label, save it, and she's done. Next, we've got some bananas that need to be thrown away because they're spoiled. So we'll choose spoilage and enter weight to record the bananas. First, we'll enter the PLU of 4011 and press the enter key, and then enter the weight of 6.5 pounds and save. We're going to do new again, and now our reason is markdown labels. We're throwing away a piece of meat that was previously marked down but didn't sell at the marked down price. Once you've chosen reason markdown labels, all you have to do is scan the little square barcode on the yellow markdown label. This gives a lot of information to G.O.T that we'll report back to you. Now we have some product we're going to be transferring to use within the store. So as she starts her new Track It, she'll choose new, and this time she's choosing store use. With the store use program, we're recording some paper towels that need to be used by the office for cleaning up. So those will be scanned as units. Everything else is just the same. This time we're going to go into Track It, and this time we're going to do a store transfer. And we're actually going to move product from the store that we're in to another store. We enter that store number, scan units, and because the Pepsi salesman couldn't get out today, I guess, we'll enter 12 because we're transferring 12 12-packs. Remember, the unit is always matched to the UPC. Uh-oh, the system says 12 is too many. When you get the max quantity warning, you just need to enter the same quantity 2 times in a row to tell the system you really do want to transfer that many. From there, you save it, transmit like everything else, and you're done with your Track It. So remember, anytime you have questions, the G.O.T Help Desk is here to help you. You can call us at area code 913-402-1069, or for issues that aren't as time sensitive and not as urgent, email us at ugothelp@gotsystems.net. That's UGOTHELP at GOTsystems with an S on the end, .net. Thanks for watching today.